And while you were going through the session document, did you read any new word or learn any new word?
But I'm not read. But I one time I'm see. Yeah.
Okay, you have not read properly.
Report. Yeah, yeah. I've not read properly, but I one time I'm see.
Okay. So, should we start the session? And before we start the session, do you have any questions or any special kind of requests for me?
No, no, anything question. I think you ask me yourself. I'm asking yourself.
Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. Then, shall we start?
Yes, sure.
Perfect.
I'm
So,
first.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Please say something. I think you were saying something.
Yeah. My name is Dev. I'm from India. My native place in Bihar, but now living currently in Oman. I'm doing the job as a mechanical engineer in piping in charge in
That's
Dukkam
great.
refinery.
How
In doing
how?
inside doing the work. Yeah.
Okay. And how many years
Yeah. Tell me.
you have been shifted to Oman?
I have I have completed 2 years in Oman and my third year running. But my second country, I'm first I'm went to Saudi, but Saudi are not comfortable. Then I'm left him. Then came
Okay.
to in India. Then after I went to Oman. Yeah, Oman is very nice country. I think I have completed 2 years. The
Uh-huh.
journey is very nice.
I had a friend from Oman
Yeah.
actually, while I was in London. So I was in London for my master's. So I had a friend from Oman, and he was a very nice person.
Ah,
And he used to tell me a lot about the country.
you
And
are studying London.
yes, I have completed my post
You are rich
graduation from
person.
there. Mhm.
Ah, I'm doing the job. I'm poor.
Mhm. So you are at a better position than me. I just studied and I came back to India, and you are working there. So good.
Yeah, I'm work. Yeah, you I study in London. I'm working in Oman, Gulf country, not better country. It's London. I'm imaging. Yeah,
So maybe if you have worked, 1 or 2 more years in Oman, then you might have something good in. You're working as mechanical engineer, right?
yeah, yeah. No, I'm piping in charge.
Yeah.
Not mechanical
Okay.
supervisor. I think. Yeah, I'm mechanical
Okay.
engineer. I have completed BE. Yeah, I have completed BE, but my work in supervisor.
Okay. So if you have good experience in this field, then maybe you can go to, you can apply to any other countries. International experience always counts.
Yeah, yeah. International. Yeah, my second country. First, I'm a Saudi. Yeah, first,
Yes, and
but
you
I'm
have
not
that also.
comfortable in Saudi. Lot of rule regulation. Yeah, a lot of rule regulation
Yeah.
in Saudi. Then I'm not comfortable and suffering for fever every day. Yeah, you know. But I'm imagine I'm visit in USA or Canada, but my English is very bad. Then
Mm-hmm.
I'm improve the English. Yeah.
Okay.
Then my English is better. Then I visit. First I IELTS test. I think first IELTS test. Then you got the any country as for abroad country. I think.
Mm-hmm.
I'm correct,
So
ma'am.
how do you
Yeah.
manage about the language there? Like what language is being spoken in Oman?
English. Lot of
Okay,
people in India they speak in Hindi, but my client every person speak in English. But he's same like that. They compare no anything problem.
okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
My grammatical is some problem, but I'm speaking English. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yes, you can make us the other person understand what you are thinking. So you have that level of proficiency
Yeah, yeah,
at
yeah.
least. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So is it the English? Is
I'm
it an
side
English
of work.
speaking country? Like,
Yeah,
there's a
yeah. Tell
lot of
me.
people in Oman speaks English, or they prefer their native language.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think my first language is Hindi. I'm a stay in
Uh-huh.
India. My first language is Hindi. Then I'm second language in English. But I
Mm-hmm.
came to Oman, yeah, other
Mm-hmm.
country. Then I'm learning in English and then I speak in English. Then
Mm-hmm.
some problem face, yeah, sometimes I'm problem face, but in clearly,
Mm-hmm. No, no. My question was that
yeah.
Is Oman an English
Yeah,
speaking
thank you.
country? I mean, does a lot of people in Oman speak English, or they prefer speaking in their
Yeah, yeah,
local language?
yeah. No, local language Arabic. Local language in
Arabic.
Arabic,
Okay.
not English.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Arabic.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm communicate. Yeah, any people in communicate in English.
So is
Those
Arabic
people
very
communicate
tough?
in
Are
English.
you
Yeah.
not trying to learn Arabic because you have been, there for 2 years? So
Yeah. No,
do
no,
you
no.
know a little bit of
I'm not.
Arabic?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Some word I'm understand. Yeah, some word I'm understand, but I'm not a try.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm a better easy. I'm a speak in English.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure. I'm future. I'm doing the job in Gulf country. My future. I'm doing the job in other country.
Right, right.
Then I'm speaking English. Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Then sometime I doing the work in Gulf country. My improve the English. My better English. My experience is better. Then I'm join other country like that abroad. Yeah, any
Mm-hmm.
country.
Mm-hmm.
But Arabic is I think difficult, not easy word, easy language. Arabic
Yeah,
is a
it's very
difficult
difficult.
language.
Yes. I think
Yeah,
they
very
call
difficult.
roti or chapati or naan, they say hummus roti, right?
Khabus.
Khabush
I think
roti.
you
See,
the
I remember this
khabus.
because I used to work in a restaurant
How
in
many
London. So we used to get a lot of Arabic clients, a lot
restaurant?
and lot of
Yeah.
Arabic clients. So they always used to say this
Uh,
kabus.
uh,
So that's why I know kabus roti. I got confused.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah, khabus. Yeah, yeah. How many country visit you, ma'am? How many country you visit?
I have visited 5 to 6 countries until now.
5 to 6. Uh,
Yeah,
how many old age?
I am.
How old are you, ma'am?
I'm 25.
26. Okay. Well, and you visit in the 5 or 6 country. Which is
Yes.
country? You visit?
See, when I was in London, I
Most
traveled a lot. So when I was in London,
yeah.
I went to France, then I went to Budapest, Hungary, then
Uh,
I went to Germany,
yeah.
then I had one trip to Spain, and then UK. And then when I
Germany.
was and then when I was a kid, then
Uh,
I have gone to Singapore and Malaysia.
every person is speaking English short word. Yeah. Every person
Not
I think is
really.
speaking English is short word.
Not
Yeah.
really, not really. I mean,
Yeah.
France and Germany, they though don't not every one of them speak in English, and they don't, especially French people, they don't have good English also. They're not eager to learn.
French people. Yeah.
They speak very broken
Yeah. Yeah.
English.
Yeah, yeah, same like that. I think Oman is also doing the work in Philippines, Korea, and Al Turkey his English is not better. I think grammatically lot of better. Yeah,
Turkey is
but
also very
USA
beautiful.
people like that.
Because English is their
Yeah,
first language, right? US, UK, Australia, English is their first language.
yeah, is a first language. But
Of course.
just I'm asking. I think Philippines and Korea, like the Turkey, is not language. It is Arabic language. I think Philippines is Philippine language. Then is
Mhm.
speak some people doing the work in Oman. Some
Mhm.
people, lot of people doing the work in Oman. Then is grammatical lot of error. Yeah.
Mhm. Yes,
But
yes.
USA people, yes, my client, I think one manager or John Potton is a USA,
Mhm.
but he is a speak anytime is short word, lot of short word use.
Mhm.
UK people, he is a UK.
UK has a better English than US. US is a very
Yeah,
colloquial
UK is better.
English. Hmm.
Yeah, UK. He just speak, yeah, he didn't understand to Hindi. Yeah, but some people is other countries, some understand Hindi, but he didn't understand to Hindi. I think other
Mhm.
country people didn't understand to Hindi.
What is the special food of Oman?
I don't know. I'm not trying a local food. It's a local food. I'm trying only Indian food. But you are also staying in London. Is available Indian food. Lot of
Yeah,
student is available Indian food. Yeah,
I was working in an
yeah,
Indian restaurant.
yeah. You working in Indian restaurant?
Yeah, because I had to do my part-time job, right? I have to earn my living expenses, and
Ah,
everybody there used to work part-time. So I used to work part-time in an Indian restaurant.
yeah,
It was a great experience,
yeah.
great
I'm
experience.
sometime yes, yeah, yeah. I'm sometime went to a restaurant. Then I visit sometime use in khabus. Yeah, sometime
Mhm.
use in khabus. Non-veg is move anything is. Then I'm sometime. But I'm
Mhm.
not interested in the local food. Yeah, Indian food is a lot of available. My company also providing Indian food. Yeah,
Okay.
then I'm not
But I
interested
always think
in
that you should
a
try
local
local
food.
food. If you are, if you're in a different place, you should always try local cuisine. You should always try to wear their local clothes, to behave like a local. There is a saying in
Yeah,
English: "When in Rome, do as the Romans do." Say as the Romans say.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah. But yeah, yeah. Sometimes I confuse. I'm Hindu. Then he's confused. Anything fused. Then I'm not a try. It's only
Mm-hmm.
veg, yeah, veg and non-veg. It's only yeah. I think network pro.
Mm-hmm. It can be mine also because it's raining here. And how is the weather in Oman? Yeah, that is something I like to know.
Uh, oh, temperature is very hot. Temperature is very hot.
Okay, yeah, it's a Gulf country, of course.
Yeah,
Very stupid question for me to ask.
yeah. No, no, not. I think June, July, August. 3 months is a very temperature is very hot in the Gulf country.
Oh, and do you
Yeah,
have winters there?
yeah, yeah. Winter,
Okay.
winter. I think normal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Summer is hot and winter. I think normal. Yeah, same like that. Same like that is Bangalore. I think. It is some
Mm.
yes, cold
No,
field.
Bangalore is
So,
very
some
very
only
pleasant.